Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from Kidscars New Zealand from this year. If you're looking for a real head-turner, then you really need to check out our latest Lamborghini Huracan Performante ride-on car exclusive model, which comes with many upgraded features. Just wait until your child gets behind the wheel of this beauty. The fact that the styling and the body shaping is the exact same as the real thing means your child can really imagine themselves cruising down the street as if they've already passed their tests. It's suitable for children up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Now let's take a look at some of the standard features: functioning lights, startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, a functioning horn, 2.4 gigahertz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt. If you haven't subscribed to us yet, help the channel out by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell to receive notifications. Let's take a look at the premium features. The low high-speed settings are great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Padded leather-style seats and soft EVA tires make the ride more comfortable for your child, given the car has more grip. The 3-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. If you would like to buy one of these great products, go to our website at www.kidscars.co.nz or call us on 09 886 7241, where we offer a free next-day delivery as long as you live in Auckland. Free pickup is also available. And don't forget, we also offer our customers the option of purchasing a 1-year extended battery warranty.